Nurses from across Wales and West England have been finding out about the important role Welsh lamb and Welsh beef play in a balanced diet. Hybu Cymru attended the Nursing in Practice event at Cardiff City Hall to give nurses information about eating a balanced diet. Elwyn Roberts, HCC's consumer executive, spoke to nurses about how red meat is an important source of iron and protein. Elwyn says it's essential nurses have this information to give to their patients.
Indeed, it's very important because, again, we're able to actually give nurses here the facts. And the fact is that as a nation, we're not actually consuming excess of red meat. We are actually well in line with what the recommendations are. So there's no need for the majority of patients to change their eating habits with regards to red meat. And, you know, it's crucial that they continue to eat lean meats. And this is an opportunity for us to actually give the facts out and inform nurses, and of course resources that they can then use in their practices with their patients.
For more information about eating a balanced diet, visit www.eatwelshlamb.com.